Well, hello there. Kelly Baxter-Fitzgerald here, and I am an independent maker with close to my heart, and I'm super excited to show you a variety of projects that I've created in one workshop with our White Pines Bring Back My Pack special. So unfortunately, this is only available for about a little over a week. I think about 8 days we have left of White Pines, but I couldn't let it go away without creating with it because it's simply beautiful and fun. I absolutely loved it. So the workshop that I created today creates 8 scrapbook layouts, 12 by 12, 12 cards, 9 folded gift tags, and 3 little gift boxes that can hold one of our M-size stamps or some candy or something like that of your choice. The workshop that I created uses our White Pines bundle, CC72116, which is just a bundle of goodness. It has 4 separate stamp sets in it, paper pack and sticker sheet, and coordinating cardstock, all in one bundle that is 20% off. I did add a little bit of our gold glitter paper on both the Cricut cuts and straight cuts, some gold glitter gems, and just a little bit of baker's twine from my stash. In addition, of course, you will need your stamps, inks, and blocks to do your stamping. So layout 1 here, I have a combination in each of the layouts that incorporates some Cricut pieces, some stamped pieces. Some of those pieces I stamped with the colored inks, and some of those pieces I did a tiny little bit of shading with some of our tri-blend markers, just a little bit. But we have some Cricut pieces, a journaling spot Cricut piece here, piece from the Cricut, stamped, quite a variety. I had fun stamping the floral and swirly border on the edge of that, but just fun, both beautiful and functional. Lots of functional elements in it, but I loved the combination of the brown, the green, and the red, especially against our French vanilla cardstock. Super fun. It had a little bit of a vintagey Christmas feel, and yet anything goes. All bundled up here. Again, a combination of stickers and Cricut cuts and pattern paper pieces and stamped pieces. And so many of them you might not be able to tell the difference. Here we have sticker, Cricut cut, stickers, stamped pieces, stickers, stamped pieces, Cricut cut. So I did do some stamping on the background here with a cute little snowflake stamp to just add that little fun element in the back. Absolutely had a great time with this. I love the pop of the red against the glacier and the espresso. Just cute. All right, we're moving right along here. Here we are. Of course, a while back in our Sparkle Stars and Sparklers set, we received a Cricut cut for this truck. And I have been waiting and waiting for a truck because we always see those cards that have the truck hauling the Christmas tree. Absolutely love it. Had to incorporate it. Some stamping here on some Cricut pieces, a stamped piece. We have a little bit of sticker element here, Cricut cut here, and of course adding that beautiful gold trim in there with our gold glitter paper. Love the zip strip here, so festive and fun with the sentiment on it. We have a nice large sticker here. We have the Cricut snowman, a little bit of stamping here. Love that little patchwork look there with the squares into the diamond shape. Here we are with another fun one, all of the little Cricut gifts and sticker gifts. We have an adorable little peppermint stamp here from the stamp set. We have some stickers here, some stamping. Here's that beautiful gold glitter paper. Did some gutting and some framing there. Some fun little elements here with the dovetailed pieces and some sticker ornaments. We have our Cricut presents and our stickers here. Just fun. So that is the 8 pages for the scrapbooking portion of this mixed workshop. Up next, we have a wonderful 12 card set. And all of this out of the pattern paper that comes right in the kit. Just adding some extra cardstock and the gold glitter paper to stretch that pack. Adding those Cricut cuts to stretch the pack. So we have... let's see, I think I did 3 each of 4 designs for 12 cards. Again, I tried to do the heavy lifting so that it would just make it easy to stamp, and I did the heavy lifting by creating the Cricut cuts on the Cricut. So we have some beautiful stamping here, some Cricut pieces, and on top of the Cricut pieces, I made the circles on the Cricut for you too, so you don't have to worry about trying to do that as well. Again, trying to make that easier for you so that you can put that all together and assemble them. This one has a different style wreath with it that is stamped with some pine cones in the background, some fussy cutting involved in terms of stamping and fussy cutting or hand cutting, some Cricut pieces here. All of these little cute labels in the back are cut on the Cricut as well. So cute. I love the way that it pops. I love that it feels a little bit like vintage Christmas, country Christmas, but it can also be that modern look as well. They're just versatile. This one I absolutely loved. One of the stamps that comes right in the stamp sets. Again, 4 amazing stamp sets in one kit, and added some Cricut pieces here. That nice gold glitter paper. Did a tiny bit of coloring here on the stamped leaves with our tri-blend markers. Created this little piece here on the Cricut to make that card quick and easy to stamp and put together. The last card in the 12 card set is this adorable tree. I had to do some paper piecing with this by first stamping it on white, and it's a double stamp, so it has an outline of the tree and then it has the interior of the tree. So I first stamped the outline of the tree, and then I filled the interior in with our avocado color and with our espresso, and then I stamped again on some pattern paper and some other colored cardstock and just did a little fussy cutting to paper piece that tree together. This is one of our stamps in one of our stamp sets, and then I only had to stamp it a couple times because I interchanged the pieces to be able to create the 3 cards out of it. So again, 8 scrapbook pages and 12 cards so far that you have seen for this mixed workshop. I stretched and stretched and stretched. I tried to give you all the most bang for your buck, to be able to use all of those stamps in there, to use the get the most out of every single piece of pattern paper that is in the workshop. So one of the stamps that comes right in the workshops is the Miracle of Christmas stamp set that of course has these adorable characters on it. My granddaughters and grandchildren absolutely love these Christmas characters, so I figured why not create tags out of those. Now don't judge my coloring. I'm not the best with our tri-blend markers, and there are people out there, makers out there that are phenomenal. They actually are so good at tri-blend markers that they can make it look like fur on top of the characters. That's not me, but my grandkids are oohing and awing over it, even with my coloring. So there's all different levels of coloring, but I promise even if you just use basic colors, these will be adorable. So of course I created the tags on the Cricut from one of our older Cricut collections, and it opens up to a note or a sentiment, and you can use all of the sentiments that are inside all 4 stamp sets to decide what you would like to say on the inside. So did the coloring and the fussy cutting of the little characters. Believe in the miracle of Christmas. There's the little fox, the little bear, and the deer, the reindeer. And I loved how they could each hold a little something in their hands. The stamp set included the little present, the little candy cane here from the fox, and I did the little ornament up here on the reindeer and the little Merry Christmas. So fun and so festive and so timely, because we know we always need tags for Christmas. So it created 9 tags, I believe. Yes, 9 tags. So 8 pages, 12 cards, 9 tags, and we are not done. There are still a couple more little goodies in here. I created 3 of these adorable little gift boxes as part of the workshop set. This little box was designed by a fellow maker and a woman that I admire. She's so amazing at creating 3D boxes and gift holders and things like that. And so she taught us, she's my upline, and she taught us how to make these by hand. And then she also shared with us a design space file. Now I can't share her design space file, but I can cut those who get my Cricut cut option for them. So if you are choosing my Cricut cut option, they will be cut for you. And within the workshop, I will be teaching you how to do it by hand, which it's great to know how to do it both ways. So basically, this is so fun. You open it up. It's so darling. And you can decorate the front, and then you open it up and it reveals a little M-size stamp. We just happen to have an M-size stamp that's coming out in our next catalog that debuts on September 1st, that has this Merry Christmas stamp in it. And what I love about this is our M-size stamps are $3.95, and they're darling, and they're the perfect size to put on cards and pages. And this one just inserts right inside the box and fits there so you can peek at it through the window. Did a little stamping on some pieces here, and then you can decorate the top, and you can even use that for a Ghirardelli candy. You can anything that would be, it's a pretty good size. So you could definitely, anything that you would want to peek through the window that way. So again, we have 3 peekaboo little window gift boxes, 9 tags. We have 12 cards, right? 12 cards here. I get all of those. I can't even get all of the projects in the camera. 12 cards, and we have 8 scrapbooking pages. So I hope you love it. I hope you will check it out. All of the supplies and the information is going on the blog here in just a little bit later on today, and it will tell you what you need to do to get the Cricut cut options and what you need to do to get the workshop guide. And don't forget the workshop kit, or the bundle that was used to create all of these projects in one workshop, is CC 72116. You can check it out on the blog at www.snipsbykelly.blogspot.com, or you can check it out on the shop site www.kellyjeanbaxter.ctmh.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope you love it. Bye.